My name is David Brioso. I am 42 years old. I study education in modern languages. I live in Santo Domingo Este, a kilometer 20 of the Las Americas Highway, in the Valle Las Americas sector on 9th Street 8. I have been here for 8 years. I am married and, and have 3 children. I'm going to talk about Hurricane Fiona. In September 2022, the Dominican Republic was impacted by Hurricane Fiona with strong winds of up to 150 kilometers per hour. The eastern provinces of the country were gradually affected, causing massive damage to livelihoods and service, impacting more than 1.4 million people. Thirteen hundred 70,000 people were displaced to safe area and 1,551 people were transferred to 49 shelters. More than 350,000 people lost power and more than 1 million people were affected by damage to water supply systems. 13 damaged health establishments were reported. After the phenomenon, surveys were carried out to restore the electrical loads, obstruction of the roads, reconstructions of bridges, supply of shelters, normalization of the movement of food and fuel, rehabilitation of educational and health centers, among other things.